Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to share with you how to delete your search history on Google Map. So let's take a look how to do that. Maybe somehow or some cases you're looking for how to delete search history on Google Map. In order to do that, you need to open your Google Maps. For here you can see this is my Google Maps, and whatever activities I am doing, everything is going to be saved in Google Maps. If you want to decide to clear your search history in your Google Map, you need to click this profile icon. After click over there, you need to click here settings, and it's going to be open your Google Map setting. Scroll down and then you're going to find here this account setting, and you're going to find here something say map history. After click over map history, and in this screen if you decide to delete your map history, you can click here this auto delete, and it's going to give you auto delete activities. It's by default it's on. If you decide to delete auto delete activities older than 3 months, 18 months or 36 months, you can easily choose. For that I want to choose 36 months. That means after 36 months, anything before 36 months, those going to be automatically deleted from my Google Maps. So we're going to click here next, and we're going to click here confirm. Also, if you decide to delete your map history, for example, you might be browse something today and you want to delete them, you can click here delete, and it's going to give you, do you want to delete today or delete customers or delete all time. So I'm going to choose here delete today, and that's all activities are going to be today. Whatever activities I did in Google Maps, those going to be deleted. Also, if we go back here search, and we're going to see still there is some things is appear which is related to our other Google service, or it's come from other Google app section. So if you decide to clear that also, you can click this option icon, and then we're going to see it's giving you suggest are based on your web and activities. So we're going to click here learn more, and then we're going to see skin appear just like this. And if you decide to delete your my activities, you can click here save activities. By default it's on. If you decide to turn off, you can turn off if you really need that. So within this step also you can turn on these activities, turn off those activities, and after that it will not going to appear anything here. But I don't want to do that because this is if I turn off, that's going to be make me trouble, because without a Google life is so harder. So within this simple step you can easily clear history in your Google Map. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.